welcome to the Bad Denim review where we order and try on jeans for you. I've been on the hunt for a good slouchy boyfriend jean for a while now. Also specifically in black or white. I think the boyfriend shape looks best in a non-blue denim. It takes on a different vibe, almost trouser-like. When I saw this jean by Raey, I really wanted to check it out. Raey is the in-house brand for matches. It began in 2015 and is Match's understated take on the key seasonal pieces. I find in-house brands from a retailer can be a point of contention for the other brands that sell into that shop. The buyers are seeing all of the brand collections at the buying calendar schedule, so that's 6 months or so before it's produced and in store. Raey will have to be very careful not too closely to replicate any of the pieces that they have seen as not to upset the brands. Some retailers, not Raey, but some retailers have quite a reputation for doing this with their in-house brands. Do you know who I'm talking about? Feel free to leave your gossip in the comments below. Shall we try them on? Understated it is. There is no external branding here. Nothing on the back patch, nothing on the buttons or rivets. The rivets and studs are all of quite high quality. They have a really nice weight and thickness to them. The fabric is 100% cotton and has been washed to a drapey, worn-in black softness. This would be a really comfortable jean to wear all day and kick around the house in. The shape is reminiscent of a pair of men's oversized straight-leg Wranglers that I wear quite a lot, but they can get a bit heavy with the thick reverse twill fabric. This is more of a mid or borderline lightweight fabric, which I love. I'm wearing a size 26 here and it's generous, but for comparison, if you are buying a men's vintage pair looking for the same loose sort of falling off your hips fit, this vintage pair is a size 32. The swing on the pair is really nice, so that's the way they hang from the back to the front. They aren't gaping at the back, it's a nice high fit that finishes quite low at the front. The leg profile is an oversized straight leg, quite a lot of slouch here and volume in the thigh. Here's some imagery of great boyfriend jean looks that I really like. So shirts, particularly denim shirts, tucked in to give you a bit of a waist are fantastic. Knitwear that finishes at the waist would work too. Basically, with the volume of the leg, you need to tuck in here. Also, when it's warmer, this would look great with a loose tank top or a black tee. So, am I going to keep it? Yes, definitely. The silhouette is lovely and it's an extremely comfortable, well-constructed jean. We upload videos every Friday, so please feel free to subscribe. If you're in the mood, go ahead and click the like button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next Friday. Bye!